Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone and iPad user facing an issue that is their Instagram post and stories are not loading and it says couldn't refresh feed. This happens when you have a poor or unstable internet connection. So without wasting any time, let's get started to fix this issue, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, refresh Wi-Fi. For that, open Control Center or go to settings and turn off Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile or cellular data, then turn off mobile or cellular data for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After refresh the Wi-Fi, go to Instagram and check. If you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2, enable cellular data for Instagram. For that, first we have to go to settings, then tap on mobile or cellular data, and under mobile and cellular data we have to check the list and make sure that Instagram is enabled. If it's already enabled, then disable for a couple of minutes, then enable back. Solution number 3, enable and disable airplane mode. First launch settings, now enable airplane mode. Then lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes, then unlock your iPhone and same go back to setting and disable airplane mode. Now we go for solution number 4, reset network settings. First we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap reset and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 5. Go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi. After connecting to Wi-Fi, tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Here we have to check the list, is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then update Instagram. Finally we go for solution number 6, delete Instagram and reinstall. For that, tap and hold Instagram and tap remove app to remove Instagram. After that, go back to App Store and re-download Instagram. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.